How to fix old RAM not fully usable and make installed RAM fully usable. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate to the Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Now type in system configuration. And from the best match, you can easily get the system configuration option. Simply you need to click on open at right side. System configuration window will appear where you can see the option of boot, select that and click on advanced options. Now you simply need to uncheck maximum memory and click on OK button. Click apply and then select the OK button. After that you simply need to click on restart in order to apply these changes. After that you will successfully fix all RAM not fully usable and make installed RAM fully usable. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.